What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here, joined by my lovely wife, Molly. Say hello.
Hey.
Today, what we've got for the ye old face balls, we've got a package here from Mr. Zach and his lovely wife, Amber. So we're going to be opening that.
She my best friend. She a real bad.
Oh boy, here we go. Apparently, is this more TikTok songs? Is that what that is?
Oh,
or what?
It's a Doja Cat song.
Oh, Doja Cat. Sorry. I'm showing my age. Plus, right before filming this, we also had these two boxes show up, which we're going to bust those open too, just to get a little look-see at those, see what we got going on. How about we just start with those two boxes?
Okay.
You want to open one? I'll open one.
Yeah,
I got a kniff right here. How about the old... since we're opening something from Zach stuff, how about ye old M4 bailout?
Hold on, I got my own.
Oh, there you go. All right, you do yours.
How about ye old gift from Zachary?
The old oh, look at that! I even picked the right one.
Oh, good. Zach, old double butt face over here was trying to give my
There's paperwork in there. Don't pull that out.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Trying to give my Benchmade away to my daughter the other day.
Well, I didn't try. Well, I guess I did try.
You tried.
Yeah. So this is what we got here. Old Mom and I got some new phones. I got a green one.
Got a green one despite our daughter, because our daughter's favorite color is that green.
Yeah. Yeah, kind of. Let's...
so that was pretty funny.
Is there... No. These should just open up, I think.
No, there's a little Husker.
Yeah. Oh, that's top and bottom, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There we go. There it is. So this is the new iPhone 13. Oh, we got peelies. We got screen peelies.
Peel porn. Peel porn, my dude.
You ready?
Yeah, you go first.
All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Give it to me.
Yep. Nice and slow.
Here's mine. Oh, it's beautiful.
There you go.
Look at that blue. Isn't that nice?
So the new blue and green iPhone Pro, 13 Pros, whatever. These are not...
had a good trade-in deal, so we...
Yeah, we both had really old phones. The one that's being recorded on right here.
Yours was really old.
Yeah.
Mine was not.
Mine was...
So I got a good trade-in deal.
The one that records most all of my videos, crazy old. But now, you guys are going to be witnessing much better recordings, hopefully, with the new tri-camera setup on the 13 Pro. So we'll see how that works out. And...
Yeah, are they bigger?
No, not really.
Oh, yeah, they are. Look.
Oh, the cameras are bigger.
The cameras.
The phone. These are not the Maxes. These are the standard size.
No, we don't go for tablets in our pockets.
Yeah, I'm not looking to carry a phablet around with me, so...
Not a fan.
Okay.
You know who I bet does?
Who?
Bama boy.
Bama? Bama carries a phablet?
He carries a phablet with his schmedium shirt and his fancy Oxford brown truck.
There you go. That could be a thing, maybe. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off screen just because it's big.
I got that song in my head. It won't go away.
That song won't go away now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not up on all the Doja Cat songs.
Oh, and I think a booty growing.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah, I mean, that's one line.
Okay. All right. There's some stuff in here for you. Go ahead and you can start pulling stuff out of the box.
Some stickers. Swag. Always and forever. She loves me.
There you go.
Oh, thank you for the Valentine. That's adorable.
Valentine stickers?
Valentines.
All right, keep going. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Apparently, here. Let me set it down like so.
Okay.
Let's... what is
okay. Thank you for when I'm hot and you're hot.
Yeah, there you go.
Hers.
We got some Arctic cooling towels. Here, go ahead. What else do we got in here?
That's out of the way.
Well, hold on, because there might be something.
It's okay.
That's wrapped up.
I got it under control. Trust me.
Okay.
We got a lay. Are you trying to say something?
Did you get laid?
I'm a married lady.
Play ball.
I
Play
hate
ball.
baseball.
What do we got here?
Oh.
This
a
is
coin purse made in Hawaii.
This is a Team Sparkle, like a thin rubber band bracelet.
Well, that's going on my wrist right now.
Okay.
Team Sparkle forever. I got
A Hawaiian something?
It's like anime looking, but also Asian looking. It's got a dragon ass.
Isn't you said anime and Asian?
Yeah. Oh wait, sorry. Might be. So, a lot of this will be going in the junk.
Hey, there you go. We got a
crosswords and jumbles. Actually, I kind of like jumbles. Ooh, I might.
A box of crap.
Yes. What? I wonder what they smell like. Do they smell like sweat and duck shit?
That's hilarious. You think it's
Oh no, it smells good.
Sweaty beard smell?
Maybe. Oh, it's country vanilla. What's yours?
Country vanilla.
Also country vanilla.
Yep. What else you got in here? Oh, you got Pez.
Speederman. Look at me weaves.
Me weaves.
That's a throwback to Paxton. Tide to Go Mini. I've never used one of these. I wonder if they're any good.
Does it smell like Tide?
It doesn't smell like anything. Wait a minute. I don't understand.
It's you gotta push it down.
Oh. Yeah, she does.
Smells like Tide.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Burt's Bees. Hells yeah. Ooh.
Wild cherry?
Wild cherry. I haven't had wild cherry. We love Burt's Bees in this house. I have like a 5-pack in the other room.
I've switched up and don't no longer use the Burt's Bees. I do the O'Keefe's.
I need more cowbell.
More cowbell. Oh. Wait, is that a... Yeah, it is.
Jamba Juice?
Jamba Juice cowbell.
Where the hell?
Hey, ring the bell, bitches. What'd you get? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Excuse me while I put my bracelet on.
What does it say?
Oh, it's Kona Ice. We have those.
Kona Ice. Oh, yeah, absolutely. So, throw up in the comments if you guys remember these bracelets and if you have any fond memories of these things. They don't actually fit.
They don't fit your fat.
No, they don't. Well, this one, it does.
No, yeah, it does.
Barely, but
now this.
My fat wrist.
Surely this is for you. You need some
Toms.
Some Toms from Target, apparently. Yeah, it's unscented.
Unscented.
So you don't have to smell like a flower.
Why do they put this? This must be
probably just put it on there to keep the cap on.
Well, that's from Target.
Unless it's like.
I'm saying they do this so people don't steal. Because I mean, this came from Portland area.
Well, that's
things
true.
are different out there.
That's true.
With all the urban campers, you never know who's going and just pulling off the shelf and the little.
They know. Oh.
Up under the shirt.
Target. I don't think so.
They don't want people just popping the caps right in the aisle and using it once.
Maine.
You don't want to get
Toms of Maine.
Yeah.
Do we have that here?
Oh yeah, this brand for sure. And they make all kinds of stuff, toothpaste and all kinds of personal hygiene care products. But
I don't use personal care hygiene products, so I don't know.
But I guarantee you that somebody at some point in time had some pit hair stuck to their brand new deodorant.
Right? See, ew, that's nasty.
Guaranteed that happened.
And then we have this.
Oh, that's it. Okay. So these two things are for me, and the rest of this is all your crap.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Zach's wife.
Yeah, perfect.
I'm gonna get laid tonight. Ooh.
Oh my God.
You know what I mean.
Oh my Lord. Things are getting out of control here. Okay.
Let me try this cherry here real quick.
So let's take a gander at what I got in this package, which, you know, as cool as all that stuff was, this is way, way cooler.
Are you shitting on my shit? You know that you want to stay cool.
You shitting on my shit. There is my Guardian Tactical GTX 025. Love this little guy.
Oh.
And I'm
Stop
pumped.
it. I'm getting triggered to
Pumped
that
to have
noise.
it back. Triggered, you say?
Stop it.
All right, and then here's the other knife that Zach sent for me to check out. So I sent this one out for him to look at quite a while ago. He fell in love with it. I'm pretty sure he'll have a Guardian Tactical very soon. I got some Burt's Bees. Shrapnel just stuck to me.
That wild cherry's good, bro.
And here is the Chris Reeve towel. So you guys might know what's in here, or maybe not. This is a Sabenza 31, full size, that Zach actually won in a raffle.
You're always and forever mine. You're stuck.
Always and forever. Always and forever. This is the drop point variant of the Sabenza 31 hollow grind. Love it.
Nobody cares.
Crown spine. Beautiful. Feels great in hand. Micarta inlay. And we are going to disassemble this knife and put a little slickum on there and see how much we can improve that action from the standard CRK fluorinated grease. Oh yeah, I like it. I like the micarta inlay. Looks beautiful. And these are just good knives. That's all there is to it.
Here's your sticker. Speedman.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
I'm going to put this in my car.
I'm going to put that
it
on my phone.
Really good.
And then I'm going to put this sticker on your phone.
Excuse you.
Well, I was just returning it back to you.
Get your junk off of my beautiful new phone.
Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. I'll probably just do a standalone video on this knife right here and see if we can improve the non-existent, basically the Reeve stuff is really more just a slow rollout situation, but it doesn't have to be. And we'll get into that, and I'll just do that in its own video, I think.
Yeah, don't do that shit on my time.
Don't do that shit on your time. Do you have anything else? Or is this it? You got laid?
Thank you for all of my goodies. I will be passing some of them forward, but surely keeping some.
Yeah, let me see these towel things because
yeah,
I like to be
had
cool.
Those before.
I don't know if I've had this.
Yeah, I don't know if it was this brand. This is Hydro Freeze.
Ooh, Hydro Freeze.
Yeah,
I like it.
and like, don't get me wrong, not a bad thing to have around when it's like 100 degrees outside and you're scooping poop.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's see what we got here.
Just wet the towel, and the cooling
these
effect
are
begins. Oh, that's nicer, I think.
Yeah, these are better. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm down. Thank you. Those are fantastic. I will absolutely use these.
Yeah, queen. Yeah.
Beautiful. I love it. Right on. Well, thank you so much, Zach and Amber. And
you are truly good friends and people, and
absolutely love it. So there you go. That's the little unboxing for this fine Saturday. I've been out of town all week up in New York State. And just got home really late last night and came home to some packages. So
yeah,
that's always fun.
And your lovely wife, who missed you dearly.
Yep. And I came home to some new accessories for the iPad, which I'm going to do a little video on that as well and show you guys what I've got going on because it is super cool. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that quick little video, and we will catch you next time. Peace.